So for tattooing, in order to make safe, sterile, this is the needle I use. It comes in the package. You can see here the date of sterilization and the characteristic of the needle, which is the one-liner, the finest needle, is this one I use for the fine tattoos. And accordingly with the design, I use them the suitable needle size. So it comes in a package. I unpack it always in front of you and I put it in the machine here, like that. And then I discard it in a special box for needles right in front of you. So you know everything is safe, clean, and then also the ink type I use is the most expensive one. The best quality ever, feels like velvet, is Pantera, the Italian brand, Pantera ink. The best ink imported stays black forever on the skin. Also for the dark skin tones, I have this one, which is the extra dark Pantera, which is also the best quality ink you can find in the market for fine lines. It heals amazingly, makes no bumps, no peeling. It's the best quality, feels like velvet on the skin. Yeah, I have only the best for you. And stays black forever. This is the most important part. It doesn't turn green and that like the cheap inks, and it doesn't spread under the skin if it's done correctly, which I always do it correctly. It has never happened to me to have a blowout, ink blowout or a spread out under the skin. Cheers, see you.